Welcome to our channel. If you're changing banks, follow these step-by-step instructions to switch smoothly without disrupting your finances. Step 1. Open your new bank account and fund it with enough money to cover several months of expenses. Never close your old account until you're certain the new one is fully functional. Step 2. List all automatic payments and direct deposits connected to your old account. Include paycheck deposits, bill payments, subscriptions, and any other recurring transactions. Step 3. Update direct deposits with your employer or benefit providers using your new account information. Provider outing and account numbers at least 2 pay periods before closing your old account. Step 4. Change automatic bill payments to your new account one at a time. Verify each updated payment processes correctly before changing the next one. Step 5. Keep both accounts active for at least 2 months during the transition. This buffer prevents missed payments from transactions you forgot to update. Step 6. Monitor your old account daily for unexpected charges or deposits. Some forgotten subscriptions or payments may appear even after you thought everything was transferred. Step 7. Transfer remaining funds from your old account after all transactions have cleared. Leave a small buffer amount for final interest payments or adjustments. Step 8. Request written confirmation that your old account is closed with zero balance. Keep this documentation for your records in case of future disputes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.